Ooh, the knees already cracking, man. Hey!
Is that shit good?
Look. That should be fine. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys a quick look, aka the braid plus beard plus haircut combo. So it should be fun. This is one of my favorite looks. I love the way I look. That's a little weird, but I like the way I look in this look. So I'm just gonna be taking you through that process. AKA, I'm just gonna be going to my retwister dude. I guess that's not what you call it. My hairstylist dude, retwist my hair, and he's also gonna be braiding my hair this time around. And then I'll also get a haircut after that. So yeah, that's everything I think. Or that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. The reason why I'm getting my haircut after the braiding process is because if my retwist dude pulls my lineup back and shit, then the person who is doing my haircut, like the lineup's gonna be pushed back anyways, like he's gonna pull the hair back. So then when he lines it up, it's gonna look like, that's how it's gonna look at the end. But if I get my haircut first, like I have a straight line and then the hair gets pulled back, then like the line could be like messed up and stuff like that. So that's why I get my haircut after I braid my hair and stuff like that. So yeah, just a quick little sidebar thing, I guess. So I will be back when my hair is braided and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And yeah, so alright guys, we're back, and this is the final result. So like I said, I got a haircut after I braided my hair, and this is what it looks like. The dude retwisted it, parted it, and then he just braided it afterwards. So yeah, so that's it. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you later.